Alright, so we're going to be doing a taste test, lemon lime flavored soda, Sierra Mist versus Sprite. Sorry, I don't have 7-Up and other stuff. This is what my brother got actually from his work, so that's why I'm doing these. Right here you can see the calories and everything. Let me see if I can show this clearly. I might have to turn off the flash. Let me turn on the light. Okay, I don't know if this is clear enough. Nah, it's even harder to see. Let's turn the flash back on. Might have to zoom in a little bit. That's probably the problem. There we go. So you can see both are 140 calories. Same amount of fat, sodium. Wow. Okay, Sprite has almost double the sodium, 35 milligrams versus 65. 2%, 3%. How is that only 1% difference? Carbohydrate, 37 grams. This one has 38. Sugars, 38 grams. This one, 37 grams. 37 grams added sugar, 38 grams added sugar on the Sprite. No protein. I don't even know why they listed. If there's nothing there, what's the point? Okay. I don't know why some companies like to put their nutrition or their ingredients this way. Carbonated water. Okay. This one has high fructose corn syrup. This the Sierra Mist has sugar. So natural flavor, citric acid. This one, citric acid, doesn't say natural flavors come after. Sodium nitrate, okay. Well, you can read all this stuff yourself. Okay, potassium benzoate preserves freshness, potassium citrate, calcium, disodium, protect flavor, bottled under blah blah blah. Okay, here you go. Same thing, sodium citrate, sodium benzoate to protect taste, okay, and canned under the authority, blah blah blah. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's open them up and see if they differ. I didn't see anything about caffeine on any of these. This says caffeine free. The Sprite also says no caffeine. There you go. So this says 100% natural flavors. I don't know what that means. Alright, natural can be anything. Let's open the Sprite. Okay, let's open the Sierra Mist. Alright, so there we go. Let's get these 2 cups and we're going to pour them out and see. Oops, I spilled some of the Sprite. Let's see what they look like. The Sprite now has less calories because I spilled some. Okay, that's about even. Oops, let me turn off those notifications. Notifications turned off, sorry about that. Okay, for some reason I thought Sierra Mist was a cloudier colored soda, but I'm probably mixing that up, I think, with Squirt or something. So anyways, here you can see there's the condensation on them. They're both completely clear. Look the same. Let's see how they smell. Okay. What the heck? The Sprite smells like water. Okay, so this I can definitely smell the lemon. Sprite smells like water. Okay, I can barely smell something from the can. I don't know, maybe something's wrong with my nose, but Sierra Mist definitely has more scent. Okay, let's see. The Sierra Mist expires April 5th, 2021. So that's expired. And the Sprite expires August 30th, 21. So the Sprite is fresher, but it has less smell. So let's have a taste now. Okay. Okay. Drinking them back to back, the Sierra Mist has more flavor. Yeah, the Sprite is a lot lighter in flavor. So if you want that lemony flavor, actually after tasting both, I would go with Sierra Mist. So let's see here. I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to drink the Sprite first now. Okay, the Sprite has the advantage too. It expires in August. This one expired, the Sierra Mist expired in April. Yeah, Sierra Mist has a better flavor. It might be because it's made with real sugar, and this is made with high fructose corn syrup. The other thing is the third ingredient on here, as you can see, is citric acid, while the third ingredient on here is natural flavor. So again, I don't know what natural flavor is. Natural flavor does not mean it's lemon flavor. It can be anything that makes it have this taste as long as it's natural. But I don't know what that means because everything comes from nature, so I don't know. I really don't know what natural means. It can be anything. On some drinks, like artificial raspberry and strawberry, they use some beaver anus gland or something to flavor that artificial stuff, and that's considered natural flavoring because it comes from a natural source, which is a beaver's anus gland or something. So when you see natural flavors, you know something is not right, because why would they say natural flavors? Why wouldn't they say flavored with lemon juice or lemon and lime? So when they say natural flavor, that means they're not using what flavor they're talking about here. They're not using lemon and lime to give that natural flavor, because for all you know, citric acid can be natural too, and then they just put that in there and they say that's natural flavor because citric acid is natural, a natural ingredient or something. But anyways, that's my taste test and review. Sierra Mist has a definitely stronger lemon smell. Alright. Sprite, after smelling Sierra Mist, smells like water. And the taste also, like more lemony here, less lemony here. Of course, you do taste the Sprite slight lemon flavor, but definitely Sierra Mist is the winner here if you like that flavor. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.